we want to differentiate y is equal to log 4x. So let's look at log 4x. We know that if y is equal to log x, then dy dx is equal to 1 over x. Remember, this is only the case with ln x, the logarithm to base e. We have log 4x, so we have a composite function. Let's consider what happens to x. First, x goes into the 4x function, and then after, it goes into the ln x function. So we've identified our first function, which, remember, is the inside function when we consider the chain rule, and our second function, which is the outside function. So now if we differentiate, dy dx is going to be differentiate this function as if the inside function 4x is just x. So we get 1 over 4x. We're just applying this using the whole of the inside function. We then need to multiply by the differential of the inside function. If we differentiate 4x, we get 4. The 4's will cancel, leaving us with 1 over x. So the differential of log 4x is 1 over x. Interestingly, you'll note that that's the same as the differential of log x. If we consider the log of ax, where a is a constant, if we differentiate this, then the inside function is ax, so we get 1 over ax, and then we multiply by the differential of the inside function, which is just a. We can see here the a's cancel, leaving us with 1 over x. So if we differentiate anything of the form log ax, such as log 4x above, log 10x, etc., it always comes to 1 over x when we differentiate.